Hey guys, so today I'm back with a get ready with me type of video. I know most of you guys already started high school and I'm so sorry this is going up so late. I already started college. The reason why I didn't film my first day get ready of me for college is because I woke up 30 minutes before class starts, which is so bad. But yeah, I didn't even like properly get ready. I just threw something on and call it a day. But I still want to make this video for you guys so you guys can get an idea of how I usually do my makeup for school, and you know, just what I'll usually wear for school and make it dress appropriate, because I know most of my audience are still in high school / middle school. So my eyes are somewhat done. Then I'm gonna go onto my face, and I'm using the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced, and I ran out, so I got a sample at Sephora. So if you guys like ever on a budget, just go get a sample at Sephora and they're gonna give it to you. And if you guys are wondering, my foundation shade is in Warm Beige.
From the day I saw you, I really want to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. There's not a lot of guys that worth my time. Oh, baby, it's getting kind of crazy. You are taking over my mind, and it feels like ooh, but you don't know my name. I swear, it feels like you don't know my name. Will you ever know? Oh, baby, I see us on our first date. You're doing everything that makes me smile. And when we had our first kiss, it happened on a Thursday. And oh, it set my soul on fire. Oh, baby, I can't wait for the first time. My imagination's running wild. Feels like
yeah. Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say, yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me wanna say, yeah. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I saved the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one, two step. Now if the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter.
So this is pretty much it, my everyday makeup for school. But if you guys want to be a little extra, throw on some lashes, which is what I'm gonna do. These are my favorite lashes. I always wear this in all my pictures. My go-to lashes, so I'll leave it down below. This is the Eyelure by Jasmine. I don't know her last name. But this is the collaboration with Jasmine, and I absolutely love these lashes, and I'm gonna pop these on really quick. So this is the makeup look, my everyday makeup look, my Instagram post makeup look, whatever you guys want to call it. Usually I also like just keep my hair straight and like just like go to school because I really wake up like the last 10 minutes before I had to leave. But since I have time for this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I usually curl my hair. You know, if you're running late and you just gotta get out the door quick, I'm gonna show you guys how I usually curl my hair. So let's get into that. So here's my first day outfit. I'm just wearing this purple top from YesStyle. It's just a cute long sleeve with a little detail going on right here. And then I'm just wearing black ripped jeans, which are from Fashion Nova, and they are high-waisted. And then I feel like I can never go wrong with my Air Force. I love these. These are my favorite shoes. They're so comfortable. And that is the first day fit. Also, this necklace is from YesStyle, if you guys are wondering, and this little dainty one is from Forever 21, and I'm just wearing my Daniel Wellington watch.